All right. Good evening, everyone. Today we'll be looking on how to become a pro trader, right? I know many of you or many of us here have lost a lot in trading, and because of that, we've sidelined, or maybe think we are not just good at trading, but that's a lie. The problem you're having is most of times is oversizing, and also another problem traders have is greed. Okay, when you are a greedy person, there is 100% possibility of you losing all your money because you are not contented with whatever thing you are having. Okay, you want to win more, you want to win all your trades, and I can tell you for sure, but that is a lie. Even the professional traders, they lose at times. So, but one thing you have to understand is you don't win all your trades, right? You actually don't win all your trades. Okay, so but for a better trader, out of 10 trades, you should win at least 7 and lose 3. There is possibility of you losing a trade. It's not just me lying to you, right? I've been in this space for quite some time and I can tell you for free that losing a trade is inevitable. It's actually inevitable. So today we'll be analyzing um VIX, or let's say this coin actually. We're analyzing this coin. So, but there is this particular thing I use to analyze coin. Okay, there is time frame I use. I don't just go into the market because I want to trade. I go into the market because I'm seeing different things that others are not seeing. Okay, I'm seeing different things that others are not seeing. So I analyze my markets with a very high time frame. What I mean by a very high time frame is I use 1 week. I use weekly. So weekly is gives us the glimpse, or let's say the market structure. After all, yeah, it gives us the overview of what you are trading. You are not just trading blindly, you are trading what you're seeing. Okay, this is actually one of a new listed coin, so it won't be good to analyze this kind of coin because of volatility and all of that. So let's look at volatility 75 index. Okay, this is literally a pair that I've been trading for quite some time now. Okay, so and I can tell you for free that when you use weekly time frame, it gives you the overview of what you are trading. Okay, so I don't rush into the market because I want to trade anything I see. Like I said before, I don't just rush in. If you rush in, there's possibility of you rushing out. Like it's literally that you will rush out. Okay, so this is what I have down here, and here this is the liquidity graph here. So this is my resistance and support. So while I'm doing this thing, I know most of you have watched a lot of YouTube videos and all that. Okay, but this, I'm assuring you that if you keep to this, this is sorry, if you keep to this, there's possibility. There is, if you keep to this or you learn about this, you're gonna win almost all your trades, right? Using weekly candle and 4 hours. Okay, this is what we are having here. The support, the resistance, and the support. Okay, so you can literally see that this volatility 75 index has been going down for quite some time since 20, let's say early this year. It has been going down. It started going down April. of 2025 until now it's been going down. So it got to this place, it made a reversed up a little bit. It did not even break the structure. It came down here and started going up. At this point, at this point, we believe that it's the pump is enough for it to like fill this gap around this area and started going down again. So we should just look at our 4 hour time frame to see what we have there. Okay, so this is actually what we have here using our 4 hours time frame. So let me, okay, so this is what we have here. So yeah, you trading with 4 hour time frame is, me trading with 4 hour time frame is the best thing I've ever learned this year. If I'm not lying to you, I'm being very honest. So this has been the very best thing I've learned this year so far. Okay, so this is the structure using 4 hours. So I trade with 4 hour, I trade weekly candle, 4 hour and 2 hour candle. For weekly 4 hour and 15 minutes for my entry. So that's how I trade. Like that's how I literally trade, right? So this coin has gotten to this area. Let me mark it. It moved and touched this area like this, got to this place, got it filled. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing, right? So yeah, let me off these things. What is wrong with this? Okay. Okay. So I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing here. Like, it's literally like showing you the same pattern. It's literally showing you same pattern, same, if you are looking closely. So with this structure, you can even know where the market is going, like without anybody even telling you otherwise. Okay, so it's showing what is going on in volatility 75. So it's the reason why I tell you that you should always use weekly candle. Weekly candle will show you everything, like mostly everything. Some use daily candle, 1 hour for for their structure and 5 minutes for whatever, for their entry and all. But I use weekly and 4 hour 15 minutes for my entry. So this is what we have here. So now let's look at the 15 minutes candle. Let's see what is there. Okay, so what is here is as simple as every other thing. So this is what we are having in our 15 minutes time frame. This is what we are having in our 15 minutes time frame. If you look closely, if you literally look closely, you will see another coming down here. You will see another down falling of this coin here. Okay, so now let's use this as a case study, right? We are not trading, we're just learning. That we're actually learning. Okay, so you see that this coin has moved, it's moved around this area. Oh, let me use 5 minutes. Or can 5 minutes show me what I wanted to show you guys? Okay, it's showing me literally. Okay, so we have something like this here, right? We have something like this here, right? So definitely if we have something like this here, there is another possibility of this coin going down around that area like this. So if I want to enter this market, it's as easy as this. If I want to trade this market now, let me show you what I want. Okay, I want to show this market. I have to wait for it here. in around this area and here. This is 3 to 38 reward ratio. 3 to 38 reward ratio. So I'll be ending this video here. I'll be ending it here and we'll continue when it gets to our entry. So thank you guys for staying tuned. Thank you for being here. We'll continue learning as we go further. Continue learning as we go further. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate. Thank you for being there. Thank you. Thank you for